Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, and let's explore. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a pancake egg sandwich. Alright, first of all, I'm going to crack my egg. I'm going to be using about 5 eggs. The next one I'm going to do, I'm going to take the yolk out of the egg. This yolk is what I'm going to be using for my pancake. Alright, so as you guys can see now. Alright, now I'm going to be mixing this together. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding a little bit of water to my egg. Alright, now I'm just going to continue to mix it all together. For the pancake mixture I'm going to be using this one. This is the pancake mixture. This is the flour I'm going to be using for my pancake. Now I'm going to add about, let's start with 2 cups. Then you're going to start mixing it gently now because of this bubble. So we're going to need more of the pancake mixed. It's a caramel baking mix. So as you guys can see right there, I'm just going to be adding, then I'm just going to mix it together. And that's it. I'm going to be using some butter. Alright, then I'm just going to put my pancake mix. So you want to mix it with your spoon in order to get all the caramel chips. Right, so this is good. Right there. Now we're going to make the other one. So I got the onion right here. This is the onion. I'm just going to be cutting it into the egg white. And I'm just going to start mixing the egg white. Alright, that is good right there. Now I'm going to add some salt, some red sauce. Right here, this is parsley. I'm going to add some parsley. Just going to mix this together. Okay, right there is good. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some tomato to this. Right now I'm going to be cooking the egg. Adding the butter, then this. Right there. So I'm going to make the egg a little bit thick. So I'm going to be adding a lot. Alright, right there. Alright, let's try the flavors now. That was almost a disaster, but we got it. Ooh. Fluffy. Just want to press this to create that shape. Looking good, looking good, looking good. all the way up. Let's move it back to the center. Create that nice juggling. Nice juggling. So this is good right now. Alright, let me let you check the pancakes. So fluffy. Alright guys, so here is the final product. So I got the pancake right here. This is the egg. Just egg with tomato. Then that's it. Then if I cover it up, that's how it look like. Now I'm just gonna cut into it. And here is the inside.